Second?
Second time.
Okay, you read this one. Milestone, which milestone?
Milestone is for
Long?
long
Vowels?
vowels. One.
Read that.
A Y A T A T H A
Very good.
Ma A Me
Ha.
Ra A Re Pa A Pe
Very good.
Va
Ha.
A Ve.
Turn the page. Read this one.
D A
Very good.
H A
Very good.
Ma A Me
Very good.
Ra A Re Pa A Pe Va A Ve.
Very good. These are called long vowels. Vowels.
My name is Chandana. Second son.
School?
GFPS Harayani.
Okay. Read this. Milestone?
Milestone.
Which vowels? Long vowels.
Long vowels.
One. Read this. Her. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Super. Turn the page. The. Very good. Her. Very good. R. A. Super. Very good. Very good.
My name is Pritam. Second standard. GHPS Saralihalli.
Read this.
4
Milestone.
Milestone.
What is long?
Long vowels. 1.
Very good.
A Y A T A Ma Me
Very good.
Pa Pe Va
Very good. Turn the page. Read that. Very good. Super.